You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Despite Donald Trump's announcement of plans to double tariffs on steel and aluminum imports to 50%, financial markets reacted tepidly. Expectations of a sharp response, such as a weakening of the Canadian dollar, did not materialize. On the contrary, the Canadian currency strengthened amid a weakening US dollar. European and US futures dipped slightly but remained stable. Analysts attribute this to investors having grown accustomed to fluctuations in Trump's trade rhetoric and no longer rushing to react to every statement. Meanwhile, the European Union threatens retaliatory measures, and China is taking a firm stance, rejecting US accusations. The US dollar began the week on a weaker note. It declined by 0.3% against the yen and lost ground to the euro and the pound. Investors are weighing the risks of economic slowdown and rising inflation triggered by tariff policies. Following a series of inconsistent tariff decisions and legal disputes over their legitimacy, the dollar has come under pressure. Legal experts and analysts point out that even if courts limit the president's authority to impose tariffs, alternative mechanisms may still be used. The overall backdrop has intensified concerns about U.S. debt levels, especially amid discussions of new tax and spending legislation. U.S. stock indexes ended May with gains, but future performance will depend on macroeconomic data and fiscal policy. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq posted their biggest monthly increases since late 2023. However, investors are awaiting labor market data, which could reshape expectations about a Fed rate cut. A stronger job report could be seen as a signal to delay monetary easing. Further uncertainty stems from Senate debates over a spending and tax bill that could significantly increase the national debt. May was a milestone month for the crypto market. Bitcoin hit an all-time high near $112,000, and total market capitalization exceeded $2.2 trillion, surpassing Amazon. At the same time, 5 U.S. states passed new cryptocurrency laws. Texas stands out with the creation of a state-run Bitcoin reserve. Coinbase became the first cryptocurrency company included in the S&P 500 index, despite a recent hacking incident. However, by the end of the month, growth slowed and Bitcoin began to lose ground. Investors are closely watching the balance between interest in digital assets and traditional instruments amid global political and economic shifts. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.